How to fix Bluetooth cutting in phone 4a. First of all, restart device, swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear Bluetooth app data. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Click on three dots more option, click on show system apps, search Bluetooth. Now click on Bluetooth, scroll down, click on storage, add cache. Now here you will see clear storage or data, and if you want to clear storage or data, then click on clear storage and data. After click on clear storage or data, Bluetooth data will be clear from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open settings, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix Bluetooth cutting in phone 4a. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.